for the landscape photographer, the camera is more than a piece of technology. It's more than a collection of dials and buttons and glass. It's our storytelling tool. It's how we get our vision, our voice out into the world. We are visual storytellers, and capturing images of natural beauty connects us to the environment in a very special way. For that 1/60th of a second, we now carry that image with us, and it bonds us to it. When we share that image, we're sharing something very personal, very intimate. We're letting the viewer experience that moment with us. Like when we see the first light kiss the peaks of the mountains, or that still mirror-like reflection on the water on that crisp winter morning right before dawn. It's a feeling you take with you always. Making great landscape photos, images that are truly remarkable, it's more than just taking a picture. It's a craft, one that's passed down from the great landscape storytellers themselves. Gifted teachers who've dedicated their lives to sharing what they've learned, their vision, their creativity, their settings and gear, how they approach the scene, and make emotional compositions with the next generation of photographic artists. When these craftsmen come together, it's an experience like no other. And in September, for the first time ever, these brilliant landscape masters will be sharing their latest techniques, their hard-earned secrets, and their landscape post-processing wizardry during an extraordinary educational event. It's 2 full days, all presented live, all presented online, and it's dedicated to everyone who dreams of leaving a visual legacy from the places that captured your heart and your imagination. This is the Landscape Photography Conference, coming September 8th and 9th, 2020. The next step in your landscape photography journey is about to begin.